हाय गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। दिस इज राजा ट्रेडर। मेरा डेली लाइव जूम सेशन भी होता है मॉर्निंग में नैस्डैक पे, एंड रात के टाइम मैं गोल्ड पे ट्रेड करता हूँ। इफ़ यू वांट टू ज्वाइन विद मी, दैट्स द 45 per month. You can subscribe my channel, or if you want to trade with semi board, zero hesitation and no stress, you can visit my website, tradewithraja.com, or you can send me message 647-574-3374. I can show you my live trade on the TPT account. You can see here. And if you have any question about how the semi bot work, it's a 1 week trial free. And let me show you my result. That's my group who is working with me. I can show you their result like this one. That's all their print screen who did trade with me last night. That's a TPT account which I am using. That's the 40% discount. Code is Raja1156. If you have any question, you can send me message on my teams. Definitely I will help you.